Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is logarithm part 1. So for this you need to know some basic formulae. So if log x base a is equal to m, then x is equal to a power m, and log x to the base x is 1, and log 1 to the base a is 0. Log a base b is equal to log a by log b, and log x power p base a is p log x base a, and log xy base a is log x base a plus log y base a. Here the multiplication will become addition, and log x by y base a is log x base a minus log y base a. Here the division becomes subtraction, and log x base a is 1 by log a base x. These are the formulas you need to know. Just thorough with this formula, then you can solve the logarithm problems very easily. Okay. In this first question, they are asking find log 1 by 343 base 7. Let log 1 by 343 base 7 be x. So 1 by 343 becomes 7 power x. So we know the formula log a base m is equal to x, then a equal to m power x. Similarly, 1 by 343 is equal to 7 power x. So 7 power x is equal to 1 by 343 means 7 cube. So 7 power x is equal to 7 power minus 3. So if bases are equal, powers must be equal. So x is equal to minus 3. So we took log 1 by 343 base 7 is x. So x is minus 3. Okay. In this second question, it is given as log x base root 8 is equal to 3 1 by 3. Then they are asking us to find value of x. So log x base root 8 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. So x is equal to root 8 power 10 by 3. So root 8 means 2 power cube root whole power 10 by 3. So that is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 into 10 by 3. So 3 is 2 5 times. That is equal to 2 power 5. So that is equal to 32. So the value of x is 32. Okay. In this third question, it is given as evaluate log 3 base 5 into log 25 base 27. That is log 3 base 5 into log 25 base 27. So log a base b means we can write it as log a by log b. So similarly, here it is in the form of log a base b, that is log 25 by log 27. That is equal to log 3 by log 5 into, so log 25 means 5 square, and 27 means 3 cube. That is equal to log 3 by log 5 into log a power m is m log a. So here it is in the form of log 5 square, means 2 log 5 by, again it is in the form of log a power m, means m log a, 3 log 3. So log 3 will be cancelled, and log 5 will be cancelled. That is equal to 2 by 3. So the value is 2 by 3. Okay. Fourth question is given as find the value of log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27. So they are asking us to find log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27. So log a by a base b means we can write it as log a by log b. Similarly, log a by log b. So log 27 means we can write it as log 3 cube by 9 means log 3 square minus log 3 square by log 3 cube. That is equal to log a power m means m log a. That is 3 log 3 by 2 log 3 minus 2 log 3 by 3 log 3. So log 3 will be cancelled, and log 3 will be cancelled. So that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So take 6 as LCM. 2 3s, 3 3s 9. 3 2s, 2 2s 4. So 9 minus 4, 5 by 6. So the value is 5 by 6. Okay. Fifth question, it is given as find the value of log 75 base 16 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. So log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. So log 75 by 16 minus, so 2 log 5 by 9 means log 5 by 9 whole square. So we already know log a square is equal to 2 log a. So 2 log 5 by 9 is log 5 by 9 whole square plus log 32 by 243. That is equal to log 75 by 16 minus log 25 by 81 plus log 32 by 243. Now we know the formula log a minus log b is log a by b. So log 75 by 16 divided by 25 by 81 plus log 32 by 243. So that is log a plus log b means log a into b. So log, this is 75 by 16. Whenever there is division, we can reciprocal it. That is 81 by 25. So log a plus log b, log a into b. That is the total value into 32 by 243. So that is equal to 81 ones and 81 threes, 25 ones and 25 threes, 16 ones, 16 twos, 3 cancel. That is log 2. So the value is log 2. Okay. In the sixth question it is given as simplify this term. So in the question it is given as 1 by log xyz base xy plus 1 by log xyz base yz plus 1 by log xyz base zx. So we know the formula 1 by log a base x is equal to log x base a. So here it is in the form of 1 by log xyz base xy. So that will be log xy base xyz plus log yz base xyz plus log zx base xyz. And we know the formula log a plus log b is log ab. So log xy into yz by xyz plus log zx base xyz. That is equal to, again it is in the form of log a plus log b. So we can write it as log ab xy into yz into zx by xyz. So that is equal to log xyz whole square. Here there are 2x, 2y's, 2z's base xyz. That is equal to log a power m. So we can write it as m log a. So 2 log xyz base xyz. That is equal to log a base a is 1. So that is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.